Yep. Today we're going to bring a cordless circular saw, and this is pretty much what you get. You get the actual charging station, the battery. You only get one battery, and it's a 20-volt battery. It's got a 4.0 amps, and then you get the actual blade, an Allen wrench, which the Allen wrench is included in the system itself. It's kind of a little hidden. We'll show you guys how to set it up, and then of course the blade and a bag where everything could go in there. So let's put it together.
Press the lock clockwise. 5.5.
5.5. All right, the blade size 5.5 if you're gonna get replacements. Before you guys do this, make sure the battery is off.
Crazy. You know what it is.
The Allen wrench is included in here, so if you don't see it when you get the system itself, it's right there. And it locks in, it automatically stays with you. So make sure you keep it so you could replace the actual blades. Here we're gonna check how much battery voltage we have right now. You have 1 to 3, and of course we have fully charged. You just hold on to the power, and it actually shows you where we're at. 3 dots, 3 LED, fully charged. Oh, it's like a rough tooth blade, right?
Yeah. This circular saw is really handy when we go to do any installations because it's really small, handy. It's a battery charged circular saw. You don't have to worry about extension cord because a lot of the job sites you don't have power sometimes. So this will come really handy for you to do angle cuts, straight cuts, and it's really light, a 20-volt circular saw.